Hi guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I am going to show you how you can re-upload YouTube videos without getting any copyright claims. But before we proceed, click the subscribe button below and hit the notification bell to see the latest updates and videos that we are going to upload. Now let's proceed. First thing that you need to do is open your web browser and go to youtube.com. Next, go to your YouTube channel. And then on the search bar, look for the video topic that you would like to download. But for this example, I'm going to look for the latest badminton videos uploaded this year. After that, all the videos regarding that topic will appear. Now, click Filter and then click Creative Commons. All the videos that will come out are allowed to re-upload without copyright. Now, just choose any video that you would like to edit and upload. Scroll down to the description of the video and click Show More. Then scroll down and look for the video license. And if it says reuse allowed, that means you can edit and upload this video to your channel without getting any copyright claims. From here, you can download the video by clicking share, then click copy to copy the link for this video. And then you can paste this link to any of your desired YouTube video downloader. But in my case, I will be using the 4K video downloader. So just hit the paste link button to attach the video file that you would like to download. Then start downloading the video with the highest quality possible. Once you finish downloading the video, you can now edit it and upload it to your channel. And that's how you can re-upload videos to YouTube without copyright claims. Thank you guys for watching, and I hope to see you on my next video.